Now I gotta find the breaker. Where? Oh my gosh. What is going on? Who are you and what are you doing in my basement? Okay, I don't need a cave creature in my basement. I'm just telling you, I don't... Oh, really? Really? You're a doctor? Why are you here? He's gonna take us on some earth science adventures. Well, I guess it's only fitting. He's a cave creature. You know, my friend the witch doctor, he told me what to do. So you're saying you're our only hope to learn some of these experiments this year? I don't know. It could be interesting. All right. Hi, everybody. Today, Dr. Corvidae and I are in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you a lab that we would have done in school that we're clearly not doing because of social distancing. Pretty simple materials are involved. We have a clear plastic sheet on a clear plastic, it's almost a shoebox. And inside my shoebox I have a plastic model of a volcano. And so the idea is how can we show the relief of the volcano on a flat surface such as a map? So we're going to use some water and a Sharpie pen to do that. So the first thing I'll do, my box has some lines on the side of it. I'm going to fill up the box with some ocean water up to the first line. Alright, so remember when we talk about sea level, we're talking about the level where the water first starts to come up on the land. So that's going to be our 0 point. And it's pretty simple. I look down and I trace where the water is. And because my volcano is a rectangle, my first line is pretty much a rectangle. Pretty simple. Add more water. To the next line. One thing that tends to happen is our volcano will float a little bit. It's just plastic. There we go. So now there's a new profile for our water. Over here on the steep side, it's still not very high up. But here inland, it's starting to cover some of the land. Now this is what the new one looks like. Alright, I'm just going to keep doing this now each time. Volcano, the water all the way up to the top, one of the things that I notice is that right here where the cone of the volcano is, there's almost a little lake that's formed, and we've got this tiny bit of the volcano that rises above the bowl of the water. So, how do we turn this into a map? It's not too hard, actually. Take our contour outline, put it up on a piece of paper, and then we'll take a pencil and we'll trace it out so that you end up with a contour map on the piece of paper. And then after that we can add all kinds of markings for gradient. We can put hatchers in there to show that we've got actually a lake in the top of our volcano, give it a scale, and turn it into an official map. Okay, and that's how you use a plastic volcano to make a contour map. Thank you, Mr. Corvidae.